Hello my dear madams, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the very pretty pen Kalamkari artistic designs in Banarasi soft silk material with a co-wide waist border in both sides of the sari with the different elements of this elegant touch-up of this Meenakari pen Kalamkari designs in entire body with a border part with horizontally and vertically golden zari checks pattern. It's totally sari just rupees 1450 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost, and you can visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. In our website you can explore more than 4500 plus designs, different category, different element, different color range and affordable price point. That's my guarantee. Let me show you the first product. Here you can see the Paratium theme inspired designs in entire the panel parts with a light red color combination with the ombre pattern. In upper body parts you receive the light chiku cream color combination, half white color combination. Here you can see the full look of this saree, the very pretty color range, red with chiku color, half white color combination, totally unique concept in ombre patterns. In upper parts you receive the very elegant Bharatanatyam theme inspired pen Kalamkari designs in a digitally format with a very unique golden zari weaves with a temple highlighted with a kovai weaves border. I hope you already know how it's work of this kovai weave saree. In kovai weaves, body weaves separately and border weaves separately and very unique technique of this handmade craftsmanship interlocking system and make this very unique temple designs. Let me show you the rich pallu. In pallu parts you receive the blue color combination, the golden zari weaves the rich pallu. Here you can see the blue color combination, the very unique rich pallu with the golden zari weaves and black color combination. Rest of the tassels part, here you can see the full look of this saree, the very beautifully crafted, the Bharatanatyam lady, the very unique yarch. Both sides you receive namely artistic designs and upper panel you receive the flower belly. Totally storytelling designs, look like a poster designs entire the body parts with a horizontally and vertically checks pattern. Let me show you the depth and clarity of this premium quality designer digitally print. Let me show you the closely. Here you can see the clarity of this digitally print with a Bharatanatyam lady and namely artistic designs in both sides of the saree with a very unique dark royal blue color combination, the kovai waves border with a temple fusions. The saree you received at just rupees 1450 free shipping all over India, convenient designs in affordable price point. That's my guarantee with a blue color combination, the full brocade blouse piece. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel and must be follow Instagram page Vastranand IND daily. We are launching 4 to 5 different categories, product, lightweighted, affordable price point and quality approved product. So must be follow Instagram page Vastranand IND and you can subscribe our YouTube channel Vastranand. Let me show you the second, last but not least, the very unique Little Krishna theme inspired designs. Not a Little Krishna, this is the purely miniature designs, so don't worry about that. This the luxurious soft silk material with again kovai designs in both sides of this border part. If you need this collection in a bulk quantity, then bulk quantity also we are providing. If you require the uniform order, then uniform order also we are providing. Here you can see the light pistachio color combination with a peach white theme inspired designs, peach white cow with a Little Krishna miniature designs in entire the body. It's not a Little Krishna, but for the understanding I will told you the Little Krishna. This is premium quality. The miniature designs like a little kid miniature designs in entire the body, but I will give the Little Krishna color in entire the body. Here you can see the pistachio color combination with a peach white designs in a panel parts with a dark green color combination, kovai with border and once again the dark green color combination, the rich pallu part. The saree also you received 1450 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. And our customer care number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday, morning 10 to evening 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support team Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support team we are providing in our customer care executive. If you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call services also available in Vastranand. So must be booked one day before slot in our customer care number. I will repeat our customer care number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. Here you can see the green color combination, the full brocade blouse piece. Madi Anandam Medi, buy now at Vastranand.in.